Hello, in front of me I've got Star Wars Outlaws. In this video I'll show you how to find nearby opportunities. Firstly, you can press top arrow button to find the nearby opportunities. Go to Journal, Intel, and here are the current location opportunities. Also, you can check Expert Intel for opportunities. Next, you can go to Map and go to Navigator. Go to Intel, and here are the opportunities for each location in the game. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.